Should I put on some makeup? Wig? What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Tiffany. Now I'm back again with another makeup. I'm rusty. What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Tiffany. Now I'm back again with another video. And in this video, we're gonna be putting together my new salon chair. Oh, Jesus. But before we put together my new salon chair, I'm gonna tell y'all why I had to get a new salon chair. This is my old salon chair. It does hydraulics. And I'm not gonna call no names. Sierra, I say your name in all my videos. Like, I need to be paying you because I say your name in every video. Yeah, I'm not gonna call no names, but somebody decided to put their knees in my chair, go around in circles like they at the circus. So I had to get in the chair. So here we are, putting it together. I asked you that I want him to help me, but my answer was no. We got my friend Capriccio here. I got some hot friends. So yeah, my phone just went dead. But let's take a thumbnail. Have y'all noticed that I'm losing weight? I am. And that's a whole nother video. But I've come to the conclusion that I think I'm going to start back on my academy. But I've come to another conclusion that since I'm little, I might just, not hold weight like that. But I don't know. I like when I have a little weight to play myself. But yeah. Okay. Let's get into the video. Wait, let me get a little more chips. Solid. Come here. Come here. Do you want to be in my video so bad? Come here. Say hey, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Say hey, YouTube. How you doing? Say how you doing.
Hi, YouTube.
Good.
Good.
Okay, bye-bye. You didn't want to be in the video at first, now you don't want to get out. Okay, thank you. Alright, let's get started. Move. Here I go. Okay. I think this is the bottom of the box. Okay. I'm gonna try to do this as neat as possible. Headrest, the backrest, the bottom rest, so of course the bottom, feels like Christmas.
Oh. shut, pop, shut, that, shut.
Excuse me. The armrest. Footrest. Jeez.
Hey, go throw it in the trash. Throw it in the trash.
Jason needs to throw it in the trash.
Throw it in the trash, Jason. You have it, man. You can free some.
Cover? Oh, a cake. Okay, let me find out. They sent me a cave. I want to get my name. Not this one, but maybe one. You know, my main cave. Hey! Tiffany's hair. So when I take pictures, that's how you see it. It's the cake and the hair. So yeah, they gave me a cake. Thank you. A headrest. I did get a Barber chair. That's because it reclines back. And I got that because I can also do, you know, lashes and makeup if it reclines back. You know how they be shaving up under there? And it gotta go back a little bit. That'll help me for the eyes, the contour lines, the lashes. Speaking of lashes, this is a disclaimer. I'm also about to start doing mink lashes. I say I give me about 2 weeks. Then I'm gonna have y'all a mink lash video coming. Then I'm gonna have y'all clients coming. Then y'all gonna come to me. Alright? Oh, Kurt.
I just show about this.
Find my purse. This is what we're trying to get. Okay? So. Oh, this looks very easy. You just gotta put it together. I say that now, but let's see. Step 1. Insert threaded bolts on bottom of pump into holes on top of base. Tighten 4 locking nuts onto threading bolts. Easiest when set on side, supported by sturdy object. Please follow the diagram. Pretty simple. Are these the bolts? Where's the base? I guess these are the bolts, the locking nuts. And then step 1, let's read it again. Insert threaded bolts on bottom of pump into holes on top of base. Okay, I think I can do that. Scoot over a little. Why is this so heavy? Wait, let me read it again. Insert threaded bolts.
Devontae!
I need you to hold this real quick. This part heavy. You can either hold or you can screw.
Hold this.
No, hold this. Is that the farthest to go in?
Yeah, I'm pushing. Are we recording? I need acid.
Ooh. Okay, I'm back. So, come to find out, we did need some ranches. Ranches.
Booyah!
And I had Ask my neighbor, because we didn't have, well, we had one, but the one that we had, it was too big. And this is what he let us use. It's so cool. I most definitely have to invest in one of these. Oh, step 2. Let me show you what I got going on right now. Get off my dress. Okay. Attach foot bar to assemble hydraulic pumps. Place assembled base and pump on floor. Check. Use Allen wrench to loosen set screws. The hell is that? Okay, I see these screws. But y'all didn't give us an Allen wrench. Uh-oh. Okay, got the 2 screws. It says, use Allen wrench to loosen the set screws in the crossbar. This prevents the set screws from obstructing entry of foot bar. Insert ends of foot bar into holes in the crossbar. May require slightly squeezing ends of foot bar towards each other and some maneuvering for the bars to go into place. Tighten the screws to firmly hold the foot thing into place. It's the squeezing they were talking about. Okay, do you push this all the way through, or I guess it got a little peekage at the end. Okay, all the way. And put these jumps back in. I don't wanna play no games, walk around getting mad at things. Jada, y'all look at something else. Cause YouTube not gonna let me play this if it got music in the background. I'm talking about, look at TV. Y'all can look at YouTube on the phones. Okay. Step 3. Remove the 4 bolts which prefix on the bottom of the seat. It's the seats, these. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. Wait, let's say remove or loosen. Remove the 4 bolts. Install left hand rest and right hand rest to the seat by the 4 bolts which were removed. Please follow the diagram beside. Oh, this is confusing right here. They just say left, right. Is it a certain way? Alright, am I going to have labels? We can go for it. Bobbiana the Builder. Bobbiana the Builder. What's that we on, 4? Okay. Oh. To bring this to a wrap because I gotta cook dinner. I'm making chicken enchiladas. I should make that a whole video itself, but I don't know. I'm gonna cook one day with y'all. I just gotta, I don't know. When I'm cooking, I be in my zone. I don't know.
lowering the chair, step down on the foot bar repeatedly to raise the chair to the desired height. Do not overextend the chair, creating the risk of tips or falling out the chair, resulting in injury. Step down and hold the foot bar to allow the chair to lower. To allow chair to lower. 2. Push lever on side. Push lever on side of chair back to adjust the tip. Oh shoot now! Hold up the foot bar to lock the moving chair. Hold up the foot bar. Oh. Okay. So we're gonna get a tester in here. Sit in my chair.
And then we do this with that one. Oh, for the lashes. Oh,
For the beard.
yeah.
And lashes. Okay, go.
That's it. You ain't gonna jet me up?
Spin around.
I'm gonna put this in the way.
Wait, one more time. Let me let you down. Okay, what is this? A sticker?
Alright, y'all. Come sit in my chair. Come sit in my new chair. Come sit in my new chair.